Hi, I'm Andy with Gunnison Sports Outfitters and GSO Fishing Premium Jigs. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our tube jig hooks. We've put a lot of research and development into this kind of a hook. We feel like it's made a big difference in especially our lake trout fishing success. One feature about these jigs that really stands it apart is the hook. It's probably the most important thing on this whole jig. The new Trocar Pro V heavy wire jig hook. This style hook, this radical bend, slightly down pointed point, penetrates really easily with the three-sided sharpened Trocar point, and that Pro V gives this hook almost zero flex. A lot of 30 and 40 pound fish have been caught with this hook, and when you stick them, it holds them. That's the most important thing. The other thing